Yeah, I'm too high.
This that 3.3 shit, you know what I mean? I say punchline rap is easy to say liking ass. I've been doing this since Robin started liking fags. First up the porch, I was jamming with the nickel bags while you was still wearing off-brand clothes where they just sliced the tag. You niggas make me mad, swear you on that grown shit. On time you on that young mouth, showstopper, clone shit. Something like a sick dick, cause nigga, you never bust. You niggas are scared of us. Knowing how that clip sound? I run my homies to get it poppin' more than Chris Brown. Look, you was not real. Y'all niggas been real. I would slam you on the top of your head so you can see how the bottom feel. With no time to kill, so I let a pound of block. No regular bitches, the ones that love sucking cat. Far as the nut go, they drink till I tell them stop. I don't spit 16s, I write to the pen stop. You been not, so nigga, why bother? I still go to war for beef like Bush father. Fuck it, I'm evolving and watch your whole body diminish. It look like you was out of your limits. Mossberg to your chest, boy, you out of your sneakers. Leave your chief on the track and field next to the bleachers. Holla, nigga, 5th Street shorty, you already fucking know what it is, nigga. We do this shit every day, man. And this is a motherfucking weekday, nigga. We out this bitch, nigga.
Turned up.
Highlight your
On a
boy.
Tuesday.
Niggas keep
up.
getting on my fucking Facebook,
With the
Instagram,
peach.
talking all that dumb ass shit, nigga. We really in these streets for real. You niggas just rapping about it, nigga.
Hey.
And them stacks in your pocket, I really doubt it, nigga. And I ain't
Hey.
even freestyling to you bitch ass nigga.
Hey.
Man, you already fucking know what it is, nigga.
Hey, turned
Yeah,
all the way
know
up.
the nigga behind the camera.
Hold up, shorty.
Up,
Put that
shorty.
camera back on me. Turned all the way the fuck up. 5th Street Flames, man. They say Flames, you sick. I say, no, I'm just a little brazy. Flag to the right. That keep me in somebody, lady.
Hey.
I bring her to the block. We banking and nothing in her.
Free man.
Send her home to you. You kissing and cuddling with her.
Free man.
Couple weeks later, you paying for our abortion. Hitting the end button. Damn, she getting annoying. Stop calling, bitch. I ain't calling back. You can't come through 5th. I'm on the trap. With the goons, nothing but G's. Fuck with me, you ain't gonna see nothing but B's. You know what we throwing up and you
Let me
know
get
what
him
we
flying.
repping.
Look, I got a Mac pump that'll leave your brains in the back trunk. Act drunk, that'll get you stinking like a damn skunk. I'm far from average, I'm far from rookie. And this big 45 say I'm far from pussy. Bitch nigga push me, I love when they think that they can take the kid. I snap your neck right before I break your legs. Or I catch you while you down there with your kids and rip your arms from your body like you missed the potato head. So what the fuck it is? Bring your team, bring your squad. I got more homies than the seats than the Camden Yards. Get a man in charge. I get your mother whack. And I get your nieces and your nephews for another stack. Bitch. You go outside.
Turn up!